Thanks for staying with us. Let's go now to Kate Lockwell with an update on Jim Raynor's violent uprising.
Thanks, Donnie. Raynor's clearly widening his list of targets. He's attacked a Dominion archaeological dig and possibly seized a dangerous alien artifact.
Emperor Mangsk spoke on this subject earlier today.
There's no telling what kind of havoc these supposedly innocuous relics might wreak upon our worlds. Anyone found in possession of these items will be dealt with to the fullest extent of the law.
Look on the bright side, partner. You're a wanted man either way.
Thanks, Tychus.
Shocking, Kate. I imagine civilian casualties were high as a result of Raynor's terrorist actions.
Actually, the only civilian deaths appear to be collateral damage from overzealous Dominion security force.
Thanks, Kate. You heard it here first. Jim Raynor, killing women and children on Marsara.
What was it like, Jimmy? Fighting them Zerg?
All the scrapes we were in back in the day, all the narrow escapes, none of it compares to how terrible they are, Tychus. You don't know what real fear is till you got 1,000 of these sons of bitches barreling down on you. So who's your mysterious buyer, Tychus? Who are we supposed to hand this artifact over to?
A bunch of eggheads I ran into called the Mobius Foundation.
Mobius? They're a legitimate research group. Why the hell are they talking to you?
Soon as your boy Minsk made it illegal to trade in alien goods, they got desperate. And you know me, Jimmy. I am a great patron of the sciences. Have to say, Jimmy, you turned into a real impressive fighter. If I was old Minsk, I'd be running scared from you too.
You really mean that, Tychus?
Nah, I was just kidding. What's this? I heard them Zerg got burned out by them creepy Protoss a few years back.
It's been 4 years and they're still finding burrowed dens out in the wastelands.
Well, a trophy like that's gotta fetch a good price on the black market. Up for some hunting, partner?
Knock yourself out, Tychus. Me? I've hunted enough Zerg for 2 lifetimes.
Oh, man. Didn't the magistrate here know he was hiring an arch criminal as his marshal?
He was counting on it. Guess my tough guy reputation kept things nice and quiet around here. All the time I wore that badge, I never had to shoot anybody.
Well, where's the fun in that?
With the artifact secure, you need to wait for transport at Backwater Station before you can leave Marsara. Transportation is on the way. Caution is advised. Dominion security forces may succeed in tracking the artifact to the station.
I've got transport coming to pick us up. All we gotta do is sit tight.
Don't sound too hard. I figure we earned ourselves a little R&R.
Commander, I'm detecting a massive concentration of Zerg biosignatures landing at the abandoned dig site.
I should have known it. Damn you,
I
Tychus.
swear, man, I didn't know nothing about no Zerg.
Given their current course, the Zerg will overrun this location within the hour.
Hell, we gotta hold out long enough for extraction. If we man the bunkers and hold those 2 bridges as long as we can, we just might stand a chance. We're gonna have a real fight on our hands here.
I've been in plenty of holdouts before.
Not against the Zerg, you ain't.
In the rear. Big job, huh? Ah! You scared me! I'm going.
You gonna give me orders? This better be good.
SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
What's going on? SCV ready.
By the numbers, boys.
Add-on complete.
SCV ready. SCV ready. Huh? Go ahead. Bad news. SCV ready.
Here they come! Lock and load! Want some? Gangway! Coming!
SCV ready.
Been waiting on you. You gonna give me orders?
Get some SCVs repairing those bunkers.
SCV ready. Huh? Gotcha.
To anyone hearing this message, we're pinned down near Backwater Station. Please assist.
Uh-huh. SCV ready.
This better be by the numbers, boys. You want a piece of me, boy?
SCV ready. Bad news. SCV ready. I'm going.
Thought we were gunners there.
Base is under attack.
Orders received.
Bad news. I can't build here.
Multiple air bogies detected. ETA, right the hell now.
Armed and ready. That's fine.
SCV ready.
Base
We could
is
use
under
some help
attack.
here.
Big job, huh? SCV ready.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Not enough minerals.
The doctor is in.
Go, go, go!
SCV ready.
You gonna give me orders?
The doctor is in.
SCV ready.
Who wants some?
Bad news. SCV ready. I'm going.
The doctor is in.
SCV ready.
Mayday, mayday! We're trapped by the Zerg! They're burrowed all around us! If you can reach us, please help!
Upgrade complete.
Man, are you a sight for sore eyes? Hold up, we're coming with you. Boy.
The doctor is in.
Go, go, go!
The doctor is in.
Move it!
Who wants some?
SCV ready.
Orders received. This better be good.
SCV ready.
The doctor is in.
Bad news. In the rear with the gear. Yo. Uh-huh. SCV ready.
The doctor is in.
SCV ready.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Base is under attack.
SCV ready.
Been waiting on you.
Ah! What's going on?
This better be good.
SCV ready. Well, butter my biscuit.
Upgrade.
SCV ready.
Go, go, go!
SCV ready.
The doctor is in.
In the rear with the gear. I'm going. Roger. SCV ready.
Base is under attack. Are under attack.
The doctor is in.
SCV ready.
Add-on complete.
Keep at it, boys. A ride's on its way.
Add-on complete.
Been waiting on you. You gonna give me orders? This better be good. Some. Gangway, coming through. We need immediate support. Hostiles all around us. Is anyone out there? Thanks for the assist. We're with you, Raynor. Outstanding. Who wants some? Armed and ready. You want a piece of me, boy? By the number.
The doctor is in.
Yes, sir. Looking forward to it. Why? Go, go, go! This better be good. Gangway, coming through.
The doctor is in. Is it critical?
Who wants some?
Not a problem.
Been waiting on you.
The doctor is in.
Armed and ready.
Our SCVs are under attack.
This better be good.
The doctor is in.
You want a piece of me, boy? Will do.
The doctor is in.
Big job, huh? We can use some help coming through. Well, butter my biscuits.
You rang. The doctor is in.
By the numbers, boys. This better be good. You gonna give me orders? Armed and ready.
The doctor is in.
Gangway, coming through. I'm going.
The doctor is in.
You want a piece of me, boy? Go, go, go!
Hold out just a little longer. We'll be getting out of here soon.
This better be
The
good.
doctor is in.
Armed and ready. 10 more. I'm on it. Who wants?
Mineral field depleted.
I feel ya.
The doctor is in.
This better be good. Sure thing. Armed and ready. You got it. Oh! Gangway.
The doctor is in.
Who wants some? I feel
Better send some body bags. The doctor is in.
Go, go, go! You gonna give me orders? Armed and ready. Why not?
The doctor is in.
You want a piece of me, boy? Outstanding. Can't wait. Gangway, coming through. We could use some help here.
The doctor is in.
Armed and ready. Go, go, go! You gonna give me orders?
Mineral field depleted.
The doctor is in.
You want a piece of me, boy? Yeah, whatever. Who wants some? We could use some help here. We could use some help
Base
here.
is
Go,
under
go,
attack.
go!
Our SCVs are under attack.
We could use some help here. This better be good. Who wants some? We could use some
The
help
doctor
here.
is in.
Go, go, go! We could use some help here. Oh, yeah. Armed and ready. By the numbers, boys.
The doctor is in.
We could use some help here.
Commander, this is Matt Horner. Just hold on. Cavalry's on the way.
Take your time, Matt. No rush.
This
The doctor is in.
We could use some help here.
our SCVs are under attack. Mineral field depleted.
We could use some help here. We could use some help here.
Base is under attack.
cavalry's arrived. Anyone still alive down there?
Good to see you, Matt. Welcome to the party.
Glad we made it in time, sir. Now let's get you boys out of there.